To master design, you will still need to know how to create layouts. So we have different type of layouts in banner design. So we'll use this one of these designs. So let me go for this one here for the banner. We'll drag it out. To create the layout, first thing you do, you draw a box. Hold down the control with the rectangle tool. As usual, the size will be 7. Make sure the lock ratio is on. Hit on enter on your keyboard. So you press P on your keyboard to make it center of page. The next thing we'll be doing is to create a box here. Right click this box, click on frame type, then you select create empty power clip frame. So what we'll be doing the next is to right click on it and edit power clip. What we're doing the next is to draw an ellipse. I think this is okay. Shift it up. And also, let's come to objects, align and distribute, center to page horizontally. Can hold down shift and drag it down. Drop it to your right. Click. Hold shift and click on this. Then you group them together. Control G. So the next thing we're doing is to press P on your keyboard to make a center of page. The next thing we'll do is to draw a box along this path. Can hold shift C. Now press P2. So the next thing we're doing now is to click on the smart fill tool. Click on this and throw it. So remove the fill. You left click on this to remove the fill. You just want to get a sketch first. You click. You can hide this tool. Click on this one and right click. Hide them. Hide this. Also hide this one for now. We've gotten this first thing we did. So the next thing we'll be doing now is to draw for the side. Get this section. Draw this. I think it's okay like this. Or this. Let me get this layout. That's what I'm using. Do this. Hold on control while drawing it. Let's see. With my right click, then I'll shift this. So it's not too great. So this one, I think it's okay. Reduce it. Press Z and zoom down to see what I'm doing. Let me draw a box. They will not exceed this limit. First, can we reduce down? Use the shape tool. Ctrl Z. You click on this first, then you hold on Shift and drag them to. Let me copy this value. P. Paste it here for this. Now draw this line. This draw a box. Draw a box here. Hold on Shift C. Let me paste this. Let me drop it here. Before then, let me increase it a bit. Shift C. Drop this here. Hold on the. Click on this and come to under the shadow tool. Select the blend tool. Drag down to this. We'll use the blend option. This. And also adjust here. So I think it's okay here. Z. Let's go. The next thing we did here was to create a box here. Make sure that this is still maintained. The next thing we're doing here is to create another box. Click on it and drop it on right. Drop my right. Then this will be where the right top will be. The heading. So this is the layout. Let me take this outside. Give it white fill. So the next thing I'll be doing now is to get the text I used. So I'll be using this application, OCR application, to extract the text. Fill it. Open file. This is fine. Recognize. Some English. Recognize. Hidden. Next thing we do here is to come to objects, Control key. So this for the heading. So come this one here. So the font I used here was Cool. And this one was microgram. This is also microgram, but light one. This was reduced. C and E, hold and shift. Let me highlight this again. Hold and shift, click on this, come to object, combine, Ctrl L. The font we used there was also microgram. Reduce it here. I used a glyph. Recycle. Drag it. Click, shift, space, pop to see, paste it. Shift, C, skip. We're letting there. Hold and shift, click on this, onto L. So what we did here was that we centered. I used lasso. Change center. Hold and shift, C and E. change this font to black, flat to black. The next thing I did was to import my resources. Let's give it colors, man. Let's give it color. You can remove this layout, you can remove this guide. Well, let's leave it. So the next thing we did now is to color. The color we used was the brand color we used. This is the color we used. This purple here.